Hi Tenthis, welcome to your social science guide channel. Today I will complete the topic methods to prevent soil erosion, and we will start a new topic which is given in a small box in your book, which is called Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit in 1992. So before that, let me complete the methods to prevent soil erosion. As in the earlier video, if you have watched, I have discussed three methods to prevent soil erosion. They were contour plowing, terrace farming, strip cropping. Today I will cover shelter beds. Let's recapitulate what was contour plowing. Contour plowing means that farming like that farming to prevent the soil erosion on the slopes, that is to farm on the boundaries of the slope. If it is a slope, then we will farm on the boundaries of the slope to prevent the soil erosion, and this boundary is called the contour. So we farm in a such a way that the soil erosion does not take place. What was terrace farming? Terrace farming was for the mountains. It was to make the stairs like structure to prevent the soil erosion. Now what is strip cropping? Strip cropping was that there will be one layer of the grass, one layer of the crop, one layer of the grass, one layer of the crop to prevent the soil erosion. Now what is shelter beds? All these three are in detail in the earlier video, in the previous video. Please do watch that video to understand the further. Now what is shelter beds? Let us discuss the shelter beds. Now shelter beds and the strip cropping has some similarity, but the difference is only that there was the grass, here the trees, and there was for the plain areas, and it is for the desert areas. So the strip cropping was for the plain area, and the shelter belt is for the desert area. As what is shelter belt? Shelter belts. Shelter belts is planting rows of trees in line to prevent soil erosion, as it contributes in stabilization of sand dunes and desert in West India. So shelter belts, what are shelter belts? Planting rows of trees in lines to prevent soil erosion, as it contributes in stabilization of sand dunes and desert in West India. So the shelter belts is the method to prevent soil erosion in Western India, where there are desert, रेत, जहाँ पर desert होते हैं, और for example Rajasthan. So here the shelter belts are very helpful. Now there are two words where you will face difficulty. These are the stabilization and sand dunes. What is stabilization? To make something stable or to make something secure. What is sand dunes? Sand dunes are the landforms which are in the forms of hills but are created by the sand which are driven by water or wind. ओके सो अगर जोर से विंड उड़ेगी या जोर से पानी आएगा तो ये जो सैंड ड्यून्स हैं ये सॉइल इरोजन ले जाएंगे. ये रेत इतनी जोर से उड़ेगी कि सैंड की सॉइल इरोजन हो जाएगा. तो शेल्टर बेल्ट्स क्या है, इस सैंड ड्यून्स को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं कि ताकि ये हवा से या विंड से ना बहे, ना उड़े, जिससे सॉइल इरोजन हो. तो व्हाट इज शेल्टर बेल्ट्स? Planting rows of trees in lines to prevent soil erosion, as it contributes in stabilization of sand dunes and desert in West India. And it is applicable in Rajasthan area because there are lot of Registan, lot of deserts. Now this was the method to prevent soil erosion. Now let's move to the next topic, which is given in the small box, which can come as 1 markers and you have to do this. कई बार क्या होता है, हमारी छोटी छोटी चीज छूट जाती है, हम मेन चीज कर लेते हैं, लेकिन जो हमारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं वो छूट जाती हैं, बट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रियो de Janeiro Earth Summit, June 1992. Now, what is this Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit June 1992? जून 1992 में एक अर्थ समिट हुआ था, एक समिट हुआ था. समिट मीन्स की मीटिंग ऑफ डिफरेंट कंट्रीज हुई थी, जिसमें मोर देन 100 कंट्रीज इन्वॉल्व थी. एंड रियो दे जेनेरियो इज द सिटी इन ब्राजील. तो इन जून 1992 रियो दे जेनेरियो में एक अर्थ समिट हुई थी बिकॉज ऑफ फॉर द एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एंड द इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, विच इज कॉल्ड अर्थ समिट. सो अगर हमें ये आंसर प्रेजेंट करना है तो हम ये कैसे प्रेजेंट करें? सबसे पहले हम ये लिखेंगे कि अर्थ समिट was held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. सबसे पहला पॉइंट हम ये लिखेंगे, अगर हमारे पास क्वेश्चन आया व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अर्थ समिट, सो हम सबसे पहला पॉइंट क्या लिखेंगे? अर्थ समिट वाज हेल्ड इन रियो दे जेनेरियो इन ब्राजील. Now what is this Rio de Janeiro? You will write like this only in the exam, but I am giving you meaning to understand. City in Brazil. So जो ये अर्थ समिट था, ये वन ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ ब्राजील में हुआ था, और वो सिटी का नेम क्या है? रियो दे जेनेरियो. What is the name of the city? Rio de Janeiro. Second point you will write कि it was held in 1992 where heads of more than 100 countries were present. So the next point for the Earth Summit is कि it was held in 1992. Sorry. In June 1992, where heads of more than 100 countries were present. So if you get the question what do you mean by Earth Summit, तो आप सबसे पहले ये लिखोगे कि Earth Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. And what is Rio de Janeiro? It is city in Brazil. Next point, it was held in June 1992 where heads of more than 100 countries were present. Why we call this Earth Summit? Because this summit was not only for one country, it was for the entire world, and the world comes under Earth. So that is why it is called the Earth Summit, because it covered the world. It covered all the countries present in the world. Now this was the introduction कि what do you mean by Earth Summit. Now let's move to the objectives of the Earth Summit. कि Earth Summit से क्या purpose solve होना? What was the purpose of the Earth Summit, or what was the objective of the Earth Summit? कि Earth Summit क्यों took place हुआ? Objectives or purpose you can write. Objectives. What were the objectives of Earth Summit? सबसे पहला environmental protection. कि जो भी पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट हो रहा है या जो भी डेवलपमेंट की वजह से एनवायरनमेंट को हार्म हो रहा है, उसमें गलती पूरे वर्ल्ड की है, ना नॉर्थ की कंट्रीज की गलती है, ना साउथ की कंट्रीज की गलती है, पूरे वर्ल्ड की गलती है. तो हमें थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल में रहकर डेवलपमेंट करनी चाहिए, थोड़ा सा एनवायरनमेंट की तरफ देख के डेवलपमेंट करनी चाहिए. सेकेंड वॉज सोशियो इकोनॉमिक development of world. Second objective was socio-economic development of world. So हमें environment और social और economic development तीनों को साथ में लेकर चलना है, क्योंकि जब हमने चैप्टर की स्टार्टिंग करी थी हमने ये चीज़ पढ़ी थी कि सबसे ज़्यादा जो लैंड डिग्रेडेशन होता है या सबसे ज़्यादा जो पॉल्यूशन मचता है वो इन कॉजेज की वजह से बचता है कि देयर इज़ अ सोशल एंड इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, because the economy, because the income level of the people are different, because resources are unequal divided between the haves and the have nots. The haves are the rich and the have nots are the poor. And अगर हम सोशियो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट थोड़ा सा दिमाग से करेंगे तो हमारी एनवायरनमेंट डेवलपमेंट भी अच्छी होगी. So these were the objectives. First was the environment protection and the second was socio-economic development of world. Now इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया. नाउ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हो गए कि क्यों अर्थ समिट हुआ. द लास्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इज द रिजल्ट और द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ समिट. द रिजल्ट और द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ समिट वाज there were three. The result or solution, there were three. One, declaration on the global climate change and biological diversity. सबसे पहला ये हुआ कि जितनी भी कंट्रीज प्रेजेंट थी सबने ये चीज साइन करी कि हम अर्थ पे जो भी क्लाइमेट चेंज होता है, जैसा भी क्लाइमेट होता है और जैसी भी बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी होती है, वी विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली. नाउ व्हाट इज क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी? क्लाइमेट चेंज इज द change in the average weather of the earth which tells the local, regional and the world climate. So this is the climate change. Next is biological diversity. Biological diversity means life on earth, that is plants, animals, trees. So सबसे पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था कि हमें अपने कोई भी कंट्री हो उनको क्लाइमेट चेंज का ध्यान रखना है और बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी का ध्यान रखना है. सेकेंड चीज जो हुई थी इसमें हुई थी एग्रीमेंट ऑन वर्ल्ड फॉरेस्ट प्रिंसिपल्स, कि हम ऐसे प्रिंसिपल्स बनाएंगे, ऐसे लॉज बनाएंगे जो फॉरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे. हमें अपने फॉरेस्ट का भी ध्यान रखना है. अगर हम फॉरेस्ट का ध्यान रखेंगे तभी हम बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी का ध्यान रख सकते हैं. The last was the Agenda 21. Agenda 21. Agenda 21 I will discuss in detail in the next video, which will be the last video for this chapter. After this I will start power sharing. थोड़ा सा intro दे देती हूँ कि what is Agenda 21. Agenda 21 is the adoption of the action plan for the sustainable development by UN for the sustainable development in the 21st century. So Agenda 21. Now what is UN? UN is the international organization which is responsible for international peace and security. So Agenda 21 is the adoption of action plan by UN for the sustainable development in 21st century. Now what is sustainable development? As I also told you earlier, that it is the development to protect the environment as well as to develop in a such a way that the future generation do not compromise. कि जितना present को मिल रहा है उतना future को भी मिले resources. And what is 21? Agenda 21. 21 here signifies the 21st century, which starts from January 1, 2001 to 31st December 2100. So this is Agenda 21. The Agenda 21 I will discuss in the last video of Resource and Development chapter. Let me give you some meanings that you can note down to understand the objectives and principles. So, सबसे पहले मैंने बात करी थी principles में Declaration on the Climate Change and the Biological Diversity. Now, what is climate change? अगर हम climate change के बारे में डिटेल में बात करें, what is climate change? You can note down the definition. Change in average weather which defines local, regional and global climate of the earth. जो भी वेदर में चेंजेस होते हैं, जो एक लोकल, एक लोकेलिटी का या एक रीजन का या एक वर्ल्ड, एक पर्टिकुलर ग्लोबली हमें बताता है कि आज का एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा है, दैट एनवायरनमेंट इज नोन एज क्लाइमेट चेंज. सो दिस इज द क्लाइमेट चेंज. Next, the difficult term which I talked about is biological diversity. Now, what is biological diversity? It is life on earth, like plants, animals, human beings. So, it is life on earth. So, this is the first objective of the Earth Summit. Now, the most important objective, the Agenda 21, which I will discuss in the next video, but let me give you intro that what is Agenda 21. Agenda 21. There are two terms. First is the agenda, the second is the 21. Now, what is Agenda 21? Agenda is the action plan. And 21 signifies 21st century. So, it is the action plan for the 21st century by UN. What is UN? UN is the international organization which is responsible for maintaining international peace and security. So, what is UN? International Organization for maintaining international peace and security. So, it is the organization which works at the global level, to solve the disputes on the various social, economic and environment matters between different countries. So, it is the international organization. So, what is Agenda 21? It is the action plan for the 21st century by UN for the sustainable development. I will repeat only the definition. I will not write because I have discussed sustainable development many a time. Sustainable development is the development to keep in mind the environment and to develop in a such a way that the future generation do not compromise. And what is 21st century? 21st century is the year from 1st January 2001 to 31st December 2100. So this is 21st century. So, अगर हम एक बारी कंपाइल करें, what is Agenda 21? Agenda 21 is the action plan for the 21st century by UN for the sustainable development. I hope today's video is clear to you. Please like, subscribe and view my videos so that I get motivated, and I will share more knowledgeable videos like this. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.